it's 2028 and you sit down at your desk, no keyboard, no mouse, just you, your voice, and your AI agents. And you just say, summarize my inbox. Done. Draft that report. Done. Schedule meetings, follow up on leads, answer client requests. All done. It's already happening. And in this video, you'll learn why AI agents aren't just changing workflows. They're positioned to replace traditional office jobs and keyboards. But more importantly, I will show you how you can adapt before this shift happens and even use them to easily launch your one-person business. Hi friend, if we haven't met yet, I'm Shule. I am former engineer and business strategist here in Silicon Valley, turned solopreneur, certified coach, and a founder of Hardstack AI, where we help service-based solopreneurs 10x their businesses with AI workforce. If AI feels like a threat, you're not alone. And I get it. You worked hard, you climbed the corporate ladder, finally earned that promotion, and it was a safe bet. But now, everything feels unstable. And the questions swirl. Is my job safe? When is the next wave of layoffs? Will I have to code? Am I already last in line? A year ago, I left my job here in Silicon Valley to build a solo AI-powered business. And my friend, you are not late. In fact, it is just the beginning. Now is the critical moment to learn, leverage, and grow. Most people know AI tools help you do things faster. But when it comes to AI agents act. They plan, execute, and they improve. And they remember. They are not a tool. They're colleagues. They're workforce. They're employees. If you spend hours coordinating, typing, emailing, reporting, and scheduling, AI agents now can do them 100 times faster, and they work 24/7. So let's talk about what actually these AI agents are. AI agents are not just smart chatbots or clever assistants. They're not also packaged version of ChatGPT. They are autonomous systems that can make decisions, chain tasks together, and complete complex workflows that would take humans weeks in just a couple of hours without needing step-by-step human instructions when operating. And of course, you have to first set them up, and it takes a lot of skill set and also time to set them up and also train them. But once this is done and once they're working, they can be 100% autonomous, and they can also keep you in the loop in critical decision making. Here's how they actually work. An AI agent has a defined goal, such as write and send a sales email, or summarize this report and update the CRM. It uses planning system to break that goal into steps. It leverages tool use, APIs, search, data scraping, and file access to complete those steps. It uses feedback loops and memory to learn, improve, and retry until the tasks are done. So while LLMs or ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini can answer questions in a generic way, a trained AI agent or multi-agent systems can look up a document, extract key points, write a summary, email it to your team, schedule a meeting to review it. And the best part, again, you can train these AI agents for your specific use case, and honestly, they only get better. They can have a long-term and short-term memory. They can pass information to each other. So they are, especially multi-agent systems, are like 100 times more complex systems than a ChatGPT conversation page. And this technology, AI agents, are already here. In January 2025, Sam Altman confirmed that AI agents are joining the workforce and will materially change company outputs. In March 2025, Devin from Cognition Labs, an AI engineer that sets dev environments, write docs, debugs, and merges PRs without human help. Before I jump into the roadmap that I want to give to you to help you stay relevant, let's zoom out a bit and let's look at some recent news and reports. So McKinsey estimates 60 to 70% of knowledge work, project management, writing, and spreadsheet tasks are already automatable. Capgemini 2025 reports 82% of organizations will integrate AI agents in the next 1 to 3 years. World Economic Forum predicts nearly 44% of core skills will shift in the next 5 years, and upwards of 70 million jobs changing by 2030. Corporate examples include Klarna replacing 25% of support staff in 2025 with AI agents, but accepting humans back for VIP experience only. And CEOs are warning. Amazon's Andy Jassy called AI a high-stakes threat to white-collar jobs. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang said everybody's job will change. And Sam Altman said AI can now discover new knowledge on its own. This is the deepest shift since internet. And I believe that it's faster, more disruptive, and bigger. But here's the crucial part. AI replaces tasks, not humans who design the systems, who build real human relationships and create authentic value. So if your job feels mundane, it's time to pivot. It is time to prepare and take action. Honestly, I think this can be a great thing. I mean, who really wants to do soul-sucking office jobs anyway? I believe we are not in this world to work meaningless 9-to-5 jobs. We are here to create, connect, and make an impact. I think this is becoming much more accessible in the age of AI because now you can leverage AI to multiply your time and your resources and offload those mundane workflows to AI. Here's your roadmap to stay relevant and use this change to launch your own solo business. 1. Use AI agents now to reclaim your time. Microsoft Copilot users save 20% email time. Automate follow-ups, summaries, CRM updates, and you can use ChatGPT, Zapier, Notion AI, or Firefly's AI. You can free up 5 to 10 strategic hours weekly, your creative runway. 2, and this one is my favorite, launch a side business with AI workforce. In hours, and previously this took months, AI can brainstorm business ideas, do a market research on those business ideas, validate those business ideas, draft landing pages, automate onboarding and CRM setups, generate content, and schedule posts. Funding not needed yet. This is quite cheap right now to do. 3, build a human-centric brand. The thing is, AI can write, but only you can build trust and connection. And as Naval Ravikant says, escape competition through authenticity. I 100% agree with that. Tell your real-time learning journey and share your genius story because that's something that AI doesn't have. Remember, they will hire you, not algorithms. And number 4, orchestrate, don't operate. Future jobs include agent workforce managers. Are we already living in future? I think we are. World Economic Forum suggests 28% of managers are hiring for that trend by 2030 and 32% plan to. Learn to design and oversee AI workflows. Add value as a strategic conductor and not just a task doer. And bonus tip, learn prompt design and workflow architecture. This is more than prompt engineering. You're building systems. These skills are already in job descriptions now. Becoming 10x more valuable isn't a hype, it's a fact. And if you're wondering, how can I start learning AI and AI agents without spending a dime? I've got you. Here are 5 of the most updated and high-quality free AI courses in 2025. The first one is OpenAI plus Deep Learning AI ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. And it says for developers, but honestly, I think anyone can benefit from this one. And number 2 is Google AI Essentials Specialization. Number 3, Microsoft AI Skills Fest. Number 4, Elements of AI. And number 5, OpenAI Academy. You can find all these 5 links below in the video description. And yeah, if you're wondering, no, you don't need a computer science degree. You don't even need to be a technical person. You need the right entry point. And these courses are completely free and they're built for curious professionals. People like you who want to learn fast, apply smart, and adapt early. If AI makes you anxious, channel that anxiety into action. Don't let technology replace you. Align with it. And that's my goal in this channel, helping you do that and be optimistic. AI agents may remove keyboards, mouses, and jobs, but they won't remove you if you don't let them. That's what I believe because, as I said before, in this channel, we choose to believe in the optimistic version of future. Comment below what part of your work would you want to leverage AI agents. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos on AI, future of work, and building a solo business. And hey, some office jobs may be ending, but a lot more opportunities are being created. This is just the beginning. See you in the next one with love.